Hey guys, we're back and we have a fun DIY. Well, it's kind of a DIY. It's a
We
kit.
bought a box. So
Yeah,
kit.
so it comes with everything already needed. So none of this stuff is necessarily.
That is, man, we need to get better at this glare thing.
I know, right? We do that all the time. So this kit was bought at Michael's. It's just a
long time ago.
Yeah, we've been wanting to do it and just never got around to it.
And it comes with this cucumber melon fragrance, which
I guess we could use it, but we also brought in some of our own essential oils. This one is a citrus zest.
We're gonna be making like yellow soap, I guess.
Yeah, so that has a couple. I think it has.
We're gonna be trying to make something similar to this.
Yeah,
one.
so it has 5 different kinds of soaps guidelines. And so our first step is going to cut the melted, cut it.
So that we can melt it.
Correct. Which what we're going to do now. Right back. Before, after. Look at that steam. Okay.
This looks like milk.
Drink it. And now we wait. He's done. These are ruined.
Or should we show them?
These are so bad.
Oops.
We're not good soap makers. This is our first time. You know, we tried.
Well, this is our final product.
Yeah.
Nothing. This is the only one that turned out.
Decent. Not even
Yeah, not even. Yeah, there's like. Let us know if you try this or if you have tried it and what you did differently to make it actually turn out.
Yeah, have you
Nicely?
bought the kits?
Let us know if there's anything else you want us to try so that you don't have to try and fail. We'll
Right.
fail for you.
Right. Failed it. That's not bad. I think it probably could have.
I mean, we could still use them.
Yeah, it's still still practical, still functional.
Yeah, comment down below with any ideas for anything else you want us to try, or if you've tried this, and
how it went for you.
And subscribe if you want to keep watching us fail at things.